Hello and welcome to this free course on Google Maps. In this video, we will set up our very first Google Map inside a web page. By the end, you will have a live interactive Google Map running in just few lines of code. Let's start by creating a simple HTML page and a div with the ID called map. This is where our map will be displayed. We will add some styling to this div so that it takes up the complete width and height of the page. We will then load the Google Maps JavaScript API using the script tag. This is the API key. Don't forget to replace your API key with your actual API key. Next, we will write a small function called initMap. This function runs automatically when the API loads. Here we are defining a latitude and longitude for New York City. Then we will create our map object. Tell it which div to display the map in. And set the zoom level. And also set the center of the map. The center is a reference to our coordinates. To test this page, let's open the terminal. We need to serve our HTML as a server using npx serve and provide a port. So we have a server running on port 8000. Let's open this in the browser. And we have a map loaded. We can zoom in and zoom out. To make the map more interesting, let's also add a marker at the same location. We can use google.maps.marker. Set its position, reference to the map, and optional title. Let's reload this page. And we can see the marker. And we can see the title also when we mouse over on the marker. And that's it. In just few minutes, we created a web page with the Google Map with a marker. In the next video, we will explore how to create info windows on the marker.